Red light therapy. The secret to better skin and health? Have you ever wondered if there's a secret to achieving youthful, glowing skin without harsh chemicals or invasive procedures? What if we told you that the answer might be as simple as basking in a special kind of light? Intrigued? Well, you're in for a treat. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the hottest topics in the skincare and wellness world, red light therapy. You've probably seen it all over social media, with influencers and celebrities raving about its miraculous effects on skin, health, and even athletic performance. But is it really the game changer everyone claims it to be? Let's shed some light on this glowing trend and find out. So, what exactly is red light therapy? Well, imagine basking in a warm, red glow that's not just soothing to look at, but might actually be working wonders for your skin and body. Red light therapy, also known as low-level laser therapy, or photobiomodulation, uses low-wavelength red light to reportedly improve your skin's appearance and treat various other health conditions. Now, you might be thinking, wait a minute, isn't light therapy something astronauts use? And you'd be spot on. The story of red light therapy actually begins in space. NASA originally started experimenting with red light to help plants grow in space and to heal wounds in astronauts. Talk about a stellar start, right? But don't worry, you don't need to book a trip to the International Space Station to try this out. These days, red light therapy is being used right here on Earth in dermatology clinics, wellness centers, and even in some people's homes. The science behind the glow. Now, let's get a bit nerdy for a moment, but we promise to keep it light. The science behind red light therapy is actually pretty fascinating. It's all about energy at the cellular level. You see, our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, and each of these cells has its own power plant called mitochondria. Red light therapy is thought to work by giving these cellular power plants a boost. When specific wavelengths of red light are absorbed by our skin, they stimulate these mitochondria to produce more energy. With this extra energy, our cells can work more efficiently. They can repair damage, produce more collagen, that's the stuff that keeps our skin plump and youthful, and generally function at their best. It's like giving each of your cells a strong cup of coffee, minus the jitters. What can red light therapy do for your skin? Now, here's where things get really exciting. Red light therapy is being touted as a treatment for a whole host of skin concerns. We're talking about reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. It's said to improve skin texture, reduce inflammation, and even help with conditions like psoriasis, rosacea, and eczema. But wait, there's more. Some studies suggest it might improve wound healing, reduce stretch marks, and even promote hair growth in people with androgenic alopecia. It's like a Swiss Army knife for skincare. One of the most promising areas is its potential to fight acne. Unlike harsh topical treatments that can dry out your skin, red light therapy works by reducing inflammation and potentially killing acne-causing bacteria. It's a gentler approach that your skin might thank you for. Does it really work? What the science says now, we know what you're thinking. This all sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let's look at what the science says. The truth is, while red light therapy shows a lot of promise, the jury is still out on many of its claimed benefits. Most experts agree that we need more high-quality studies to really nail down its effectiveness for all the conditions it's being used to treat. That being said, there is some encouraging evidence. Several studies have shown positive results for things like wound healing, reducing inflammation, and improving skin appearance. For example, a study published in the journal Photomedicine and Laser Surgery found that red light therapy improved skin complexion and skin feeling, and reduced wrinkles. But here's the catch. Many of these studies are small, and some don't include a placebo group. In the world of science, that's like trying to bake a cake without measuring your ingredients. It might turn out great, but it's hard to know for sure why. The bottom line, there's definitely potential here, but we need more research to fully understand how effective red light therapy is for different conditions. Is red light therapy safe? Now, let's address the elephant in the room: safety. After all, we're talking about shining light on your skin, and we all know that some types of light, looking at you, UV rays, can be harmful. The good news is that red light therapy appears to be generally safe when used as directed. Unlike the UV light from the sun or tanning beds, the wavelengths used in red light therapy don't damage your skin. It's non-toxic, non-invasive, and doesn't involve harsh chemicals. But, and there's always a but, that doesn't mean you should go wild with it. If misused, for example, if you use it too often or don't follow the instructions, there's a chance you could irritate your skin or even damage your eyes if they're not properly protected. Also, it's worth noting that we don't yet know the long-term effects of regular red light therapy use. As with any new treatment, there's still more to learn. Red light therapy, the new frontier of biohacking? Now, let's talk about a term that's been buzzing around the health and wellness community: biohacking. For those not in the know, biohacking is all about making small, incremental changes to your body's chemistry and physiology to improve your overall health and well-being. Red light therapy fits right into this biohacking trend. It's a non-invasive way to potentially optimize your cellular function, and by extension, your overall health. It's like giving your body a tune-up at the most fundamental level. Biohackers are always on the lookout for ways to enhance performance, slow aging, and optimize health. Red light therapy ticks all these boxes, at least in theory. It promises to boost cellular energy, reduce inflammation, and improve skin health, all of which align perfectly with the biohacking ethos. But remember, while biohacking can be exciting, it's important to approach it with a healthy dose of skepticism and always prioritize safety. Just because something is natural or non-invasive doesn't automatically make it risk-free or effective for everyone. Who's using red light therapy? You might be surprised to learn that red light therapy isn't just for skincare enthusiasts or biohackers. It's gaining popularity among a wide range of people, including some pretty big names. Athletes, for instance, are getting on board with red light therapy. Some use it to help with muscle recovery and reduce inflammation after intense workouts. There are even reports of professional sports teams incorporating red light therapy into their training regimens. In the celebrity world, actresses like Jessica Alba and Emma Stone have reportedly used red light therapy as part of their skincare routines. And it's not just for the ladies. Some men's grooming experts are recommending it for everything from reducing razor burn to promoting beard growth. But it's not all glamour in sports. Some healthcare providers are exploring the use of red light therapy for patients with chronic pain conditions or slow-healing wounds. It's even being studied for potential benefits in mental health, though the evidence there is still very preliminary. The cost factor: is it worth the investment? Now let's talk money. After all, if we're considering adding something new to our health and beauty routines, we need to know if it's going to break the bank. The cost of therapy can vary widely depending on how you access it. If you're getting treatments at a dermatologist's office or spa, you might be looking at anywhere from $25 to $200 per session. And remember, it's not usually a one-and-done deal. You'll likely need multiple sessions to see results. On the other hand, if you're thinking of buying a device for home use, prices can range from about $30 for a small handheld device to over $1,000 for a full-body panel. That might sound like a lot up front, but if you use it regularly, it could work out cheaper in the long run than salon treatments. But is it worth it? Well, that depends on your individual circumstances. If you're dealing with persistent skin issues that haven't responded well to other treatments, the investment might be worthwhile. On the other hand, if you're just looking for a general boost to your skincare routine, you might want to weigh the costs against other options. It's also worth noting that red light therapy typically isn't covered by health insurance, so you'll likely be paying out of pocket. The bottom line? Should you try red light therapy? So after all this, you might be wondering, should I give red light therapy a go? Well, as with most things in health and wellness, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you're dealing with specific skin issues or are interested in its potential health benefits, red light therapy might be worth exploring. It's generally considered safe, and some people report significant improvements in their skin's appearance and overall well-being. However, it's important to approach it with realistic expectations. While the potential benefits are exciting, red light therapy isn't a magic cure-all. It works best as part of a comprehensive approach to health and skincare, not as a standalone miracle treatment. As with any new treatment, it's important to do your research, consult with professionals, and make informed decisions based on your individual needs and circumstances. Who knows? Red light therapy might just be the glow-up you've been looking for. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep shining bright.